Most kids are taught to memorize whole words. That's why they forget them the next day. You put all of that energy into it, teacher, right? Or parent, getting those kids to look at those words, and for a little while they can say them and it seems like they've learned them, but then tomorrow or next week, it's like they never saw it at all. And that is because the human brain was not built to remember thousands of strings of bits of information. We just aren't capable of doing it. And it's actually somewhat miraculous how we are able to read thousands, tens of thousands of words, and we go through it a different way. Science has shown really clearly that we can't just look at the word as a whole. We have to crack the code inside the letter sounds. We have to look at the inside parts of the words, understand how to build the word left to right, so that when we see the word cat, we see k, a, t, we put it together and we recognize it as the word cat and its meaning. And when we read a little more complicated word like show, we have to know that it's sh-o, put those down together, not only decode it, but after seeing it a few times, it will then become a word that we recognize in a blink of an eye. So we still get to the same point as these traditional methods, but we do it in a way that actually works with how the brain learns to read. We crack the code, we read and reread those words, then they become words that we recognize by sight. But it's only because of the really amazing way our brains analyze those words and then store them through that analysis. We can't just store them by looking at the way they look.